Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Steve, owner of the Rocket Banner Company. And first of all, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for considering the Rocket Banner Company for your vinyl banner needs. Now, I've produced this brief tutorial to help you get the most out of navigating the website. And so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, the first thing everybody wants to know when they come to the website is how much is my banner going to cost and when will I receive it? Well, that's why we put this big conspicuous red button right in the middle of the page to coax you to click on that. And when you do, it's going to open up our products page. And specifically, it's going to open up the first of our 51 products pages, and that's for the 2x4 banner. Now, what you get is a sort of an artist's rendition, but to scale, of the 2x4 banner. Now, hopefully you're going to want a bigger banner, even though I must say the 2x4 banner, as you can see right up here, is the most popular of our 51 different sizes. But I want you to use this page, or this set of pages, to click around and help you decide which size is best for you. You can see by clicking on different banner sizes, you get a quick graphic demonstration of the different sizes. And that's going to help you pick what size is right for you, all the way up to our largest banner, which is the 4x20 banner. Now what happens is the banner size changes, but the models and the ruler stay the same. So you're comparing apples to apples, you get a good idea of exactly what size banner best suits your needs. Okay, now so let's go back to the 2x4 banner. And you're going to want to know how much your banner is going to cost. Well, the prices are all listed right here. We have 5 different grades of banner. The prices are all listed right next to it. To get an idea of what a premium banner is, just roll over the little question mark. Intermediate, same thing. All the way down to the do-it-yourself banner. You're going to get a brief text explanation of what the different banner grades are all about. If you want a more in-depth explanation, click right here on Banner Grades Explained. It's going to open up this page, and it's going to give you a more in-depth explanation, and it's also going to give you a link to our video demonstration, about a 10-minute video graphically demonstrating all the different banner grades. It's about 10 minutes, like I say, and of course it's starring me, yours truly. So if you want to know what customers prefer, well, 16% who ordered the 2x4 banner got the premium banner, 11% got the intermediate banner, 39% the economy banner, and so on and so forth. Now everyone wants to know when they're going to receive their banner. Right here on this page, it tells you. It tells you when you can expect to receive your banner. These are guaranteed deliver by dates. Sometimes you'll get it earlier, especially for the ground shipping. You'll usually get that several days before what it says here, but we're not going to tell you because we don't know. We just guarantee you you'll have it by the published date. Okay? For ground shipping, it all depends on production, our production flow, and how many people are ordering second day air, next day air, 3-day select, because they will tend to bump the people who order ground shipping. They'll bump them back in the production schedule because we got to get the expedited orders to them right away. So I can tell you, people who order ground shipping, they'll get it before the guaranteed date, but how much before I cannot say. Now, if you want to get an exact figure on what your shipping charges are going to cost, along with an exact amount for the various numbers of banners, say you're going to order several different banners, go here to our air shipping charges calculator. It's more than just that. It's also, I like to call it the total cost calculator. Let's click on that. And this will bring you to this page right here. And then you just fill in the blanks here. Let's say you're going to want a 2x6 text-only banner. You're going to want 2 of them. Okay, and then you want to add a 3x6 banner. You're going to want to make that a little stronger, so you're going to get an intermediate. You're going to get 3 of those. It's going to give you the price each and the total. All right. It's going to tally the weight down here, and it's using this weight to figure out your shipping charges. All right. The next thing you got to tell it is what state you're going to be in, And the reason you're going to do that is because if you're in Texas, we got to charge you tax. Every other state, we're not going to charge you any tax. All right, and then you fill in your zip code. And that's the last thing it needs to figure out your shipping charges. All orders over $100 qualify for free ground shipping. And then for all the other shipping options, it'll list the price of that shipping option and your guaranteed receive by date. You just select that, whichever one you choose, and it's going to tally that to the total. And so you can have a running total of exactly how much it's going to cost you at checkout. We're the only ones that give you this total cost calculator. Every other banner company, you got to go all the way through the design upload process, and not until you check out do you find out what the shipping charges and the totals are going to be. So use this tool. It's a great tool. Now let's go back to the products page. I want to point out a few other things. We have reviews on all of our different banner sizes. Let's say you're getting a 3x6 banner. This is what people ordered. This is we got 25 customer reviews on the 3x6 banner. All right, it's going to tell you the date that they ordered, the star rating, any comments that they had. It's going to tell you what grade banner they ordered, and so on and so forth. So there's our reviews. You can see more reviews here on our Facebook page, and you can also, if you click on the Facebook link, see some of our pictures of actual banners that we made. We take pictures just about every day of banners that we've made. So these will give you also some good design ideas. And you can read customer comments and reviews and so forth. It's a pretty rich page here, our Facebook page. So remember to like us when you're on this page. And let's go back. Now, if you're a professional designer and you have professional design software such as Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, then you can choose to upload your own print-ready file. If you know how to do the design, if you know how to make a print file that matches the size of the banner you're ordering, okay, in other words, if you can follow the file requirements listed on the website and follow them to a T, that way we'll be able to produce the banner to the correct specifications. If you cannot follow the file requirements, or if you don't understand them, do not attempt this, because it's going to throw a big wrench into production. If you upload a file that doesn't meet the file requirements, it's going to throw a big wrench into production. It's going to halt your banner, and I'm going to have to call you, and you're going to have to remake the file. So what I recommend, if you don't have professional design software, if you don't understand the file requirements, what you need to do is use our online design tool. All right, it's a feature-rich online design tool. You can do just about anything with this, and you can it'll set all the parameters for you. All right, so you don't have to worry about setting your resolution and the size of your banner. It does all of that for you. Just follow the steps right on through to add it to your cart. And I recommend viewing the in-depth tutorial that we've made for using the online designer. Now let me back up again, because if you are going to use our online designer, I recommend you start with one of our design templates. Now we put a lot of time into making these templates, and if you're not getting a birthday banner, a soccer banner, a welcome home banner, it doesn't matter. You can load any one of these templates because they're completely editable. All right? We've designed these, and we've printed these, and we've tested them for contrast, for text layout, for effects, and all of these will display very well with high contrast and are very easily read. Here's something you can do. If you're not making a birthday banner, come up here, click on Custom Banner Themes, and start with one of our themes. Just pick a theme that you like. Okay, these are all generic. Just pick a theme that you like, something that appeals to your eyes, and go ahead and load it. Let's pick this one. Click on it. Load it into the design tool. It's going to load as a 3x8, but you can change the size. All right. What that's going to do, it's going to change the canvas to a 3x10, and then you'll have to edit the size of all the elements. All right. But that's very easy. And the reason we do that is we want to keep things in proportion. All right. Everything on here is editable. You can change the type of font. You can change the colors, but careful there. Remember what I said. These are all tested for contrast. Try and keep the colors the way we have them here. You can add your own artwork. You can delete our artwork. You can add clip art. Anything. You can do a world of options with our templates. All right. And like I said, you can even use for example, let's say you like this graduation banner, looks nice. You like that background, but you're not graduating anyone from anything. You can just come in here, load this template, get rid of any elements you don't want to use, and just keep the elements you want, like this background, like this border, like this nice, highly contrasted text. Just keep what you want, throw the rest away. So use our templates, folks. You wouldn't believe some of the horrible banners we get. We get a lot of great banners. You can see them on my Facebook page, but we get a lot of things where people are not thinking about contrast. And contrast, ladies and gentlemen, is the number one consideration when you're designing a banner. You got to have good contrast to be able to read any kind of sign. All right? So there you have it. I think that's all I wanted to cover. Let me go back to the products page, and I think that's it. I hope this helps you. If you have any questions, feel free to call. I'm more than happy to answer any questions you have. There's a lot more to the website, but this will get you started. Thanks.